Hi everyone, it's Maggie here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is my house Christmas decor. I hope you enjoy. This right here is the nighttime little house village that my 5-year-old put together. I think he did a great job. They love Christmas so much and they love all the decorations. You will see the daytime version in a little bit. And this is in our main living room. It is very colorful. This year, I just let the boys take over and they choose the multicolor lights. They always wanted to decorate with multicolor lights, and this year I just let them do whatever they want, and they're very, very happy. These pillows, the red ones, I got them from Target last year. The white one with the red truck is from Walmart this year. Came in a pack of 2 for $10. This red truck Christmas tree picture frame, I DIY'd this last year. This is a little corner in my kitchen. These signs, the one on the right is from Target last year, and the wooden tree is from Target. I just keep it simple right there. The freshly baked with love sign is from the Dollar Tree. Alright, and the rest of these clips that you'll see are from the daytime, so they're a little bit brighter. And in the little corner of the mudroom is my rustic farmhouse kind of Christmas tree. I didn't make it fluffy and I didn't want to because I was going for like a skinny sparse tree. The fresh cut Christmas tree sign, I got that from Target last year. I grabbed like 3 of them because I love it so much. I'm obsessed. And the galvanized tree skirt was from Hearth and Hand collection last year. I just love that skirt so much. It's so pretty. It goes so well with my tree. And there is my galvanized bucket that I DIY. I just added some mini tree I found from Target, the red plaid pillow from Walmart, and the red plaid blanket I got from Target last year. And the home lantern is redone. And on the tree, I just have a few redone ornaments and Hearth and Hand ornaments and our family's red plaid initials, and those wooden beads garland, I got that from Hobby Lobby. And moving into the main living room during the day, this is what the tree looks like. Ignore the orange ball in the corner there. My kids, they forgot to put it away when they go to bed last night. And the little village here, this is what it looks like during the day. And the last area is my cocoa station. I recently found more redone pieces when I was doing Christmas shoppings. Thank you so much for watching.